Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi and I'm excited to present my project Revenue and Renewal Hub. One of the biggest problems subscription based businesses face is losing revenue because of customer churn. Customers cancel and the company loses money. The problem is that most businesses don't see the warning sign until it's too late. By then, the customer is already gone. That's why I built this hub to make revenue risk visible, predict renewals, and help businesses take action before losses grow. Revenue and Renewal Hub is an interactive dashboard built to answer three big questions. How much revenue is safe and how much is at risk? Which customers are likely to renew and which ones might churn? Where exactly are we losing money and how can we recover it? All of these answers are combined here in one place so businesses can make faster, smarter decisions. Let's start with the executive summary. This is the top level view for executives and leaders. The first number is expected revenue, which is projected at around 856K. This shows the growth potential if renewals go well. Next, we see revenue at risk, which is about 360K. This is the portion of revenue linked to customers who may not renew. Then we have lost revenue, currently about 48K. This tells us how much has already leaked due to churn. Finally, the renewal success rate is very high at over 300%, which tells us that retention efforts are working well overall. By looking at these four numbers together, leaders can quickly spot whether the business is in strong position or if they need to dig deeper into customer risk. Next, let's move into the customer risk and retention view. This section breaks down customers into high, medium, and low risk. The chart on the left show the revenue distribution by risk. Most of the revenue is coming from low risk customers, which is good. But we can see that medium and high risk customers still contribute a big share, including over 15K from high risk customers alone. At the bottom, we have a very useful chart comparing customer health score with customer value. Customers in the top right corner are high value and healthy. They are safe. Customers in the bottom right corner are high value but low health. These are the most critical because if they churn, the revenue impact is huge. This helps businesses prioritize retention by focusing on the customers that matters most. Now, let's look at the renewal and forecast section. The main chart here tracks renewal versus churn over time. The green line shows renewals while the red line shows churn. What's important here is the trend. Renewals are consistently higher than churn, which shows strong performance. On the right side, we have a recurring revenue forecast. This projection shows where revenue is heading in the future based on current renewal patterns. Businesses can use this forecast to set targets, allocate resources, and plan growth strategies with more confidence. This section is all about answering the questions: where are we headed and are we on the right track? Finally, let's explore the revenue leakage and recovery section. Here we can see exactly where money is being lost. The chart shows that most of the leakage is coming from medium and high risk customers. This tells us that even though low risk customers are stable, the real opportunity is in recovering revenue from those at higher risk. For example, if we run targeted campaigns for medium risk customers, we can potentially save thousands in revenue. This part of the hub turns loss into opportunity by pointing directly to the leaks. To summarize, Revenue and Renewal Hub contains four key areas into one dashboard. Executive summary for the big picture, customer risk and retention to focus on at-risk accounts, renewals and forecast to plan ahead, and revenue leakage and recovery to save money that would otherwise be lost. It helps businesses spot churn early, improve customer retention, and protect revenue. This means faster decision, stronger renewals, and real growth opportunities. Thank you for watching.